Hello students, welcome back to the second video of the topic comparison of adjectives. We learned that we use positive degree when we talk about one person or one thing. The ER form of the adjective is known as the comparative degree. We use the comparative form of an adjective to compare one person or thing with another. Important, we use than when we want to compare one thing with another. For example, a banana is sweeter than a cherry. My brother is stronger than me. This is the comparative degree. Comparison between a banana and a cherry, and comparison between brother and me. Then the EST form of the adjectives is known as the superlative degree. We use the superlative form of an adjective to compare three or more people or things. Note, we use the with the superlative. This cake is the sweetest of all. My father is the strongest of all. Alright, sweet was the positive degree, sweeter comparative, the sweetest superlative degree. Children, study this table to learn about the comparative and superlative degrees. You read these adjectives and learn them. Adjectives with three or more syllables take more to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. Some adjectives do not take ER or EST for making the comparison. For example, important, more important, most important. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. And some adjectives change their form completely while forming the comparatives and the superlatives. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most, many, more, most, late, later, latest, last, far, farther है ना, दूर, farthest, far है, किस हद तक है, further, furthest. So children, you read all these three degrees of adjectives, and if you have any question you can ask on my number, and exercises we'll do in the class. That's all for this video children. Have a good day. Thank you.